All right, so how does this angle that the sun is hitting Earth affect temperatures and things? So let's take a look. Instead of looking at the angle, let's look at the sunbeam spread. So you can do this with a flashlight as well. So if you have a flashlight and you shine it straight down onto a surface, take note of how big the circle is that the flashlight makes. Then shine it, put it at an angle and shine it on down to the same surface, and take note, where does it cover more area? You know, think of Darwin's lights. I have his lights pointing straight down and not on an angle. Why would I do that? Okay. So we'll go to those 4 points. We've got our guy. He's close to, let's do Holly. So 42.7. Oh, I got it right that time. 42.7. So this is September, and the spread of the sun's energy. How much? Think of it's taking up basically one square. And let's move it around and watch that square, watch that circle of sun's energy. When I get to December, it's more spread out, right? So it's not as direct and it's not hitting as straight on. So again, think of Darwin's lights when I have them in his tank and they're going straight down. They're really concentrated. If I put them at an angle, they're going to bounce and kind of just skim off the surface. Okay, so let's go to March, and it looks just like September. Now let's look at June. Look at that. So we're at like June 20th. It's like a perfect little circle. I mean, that guy is getting, it's like a laser beam on his little head of sun's energy. So the more spread out it gets, think of what that's going to do to the temperatures. And as that angle is more direct, how will that change the temperature? I'll let this go through a whole year. So let's start 21st of March, and then you can watch both the sunbeam spread and the angles. All right, so again, we've got that spread out angle. I'm just going to move the guy one more time. So if we went to 42.7 degrees, as close as I can get to that, that's pretty close. So again, remember, the southern hemisphere is experiencing the exact opposite of what we are. So if you lived in the southern hemisphere, you would be experiencing summertime in December. And if you're in Holly, it is wintertime because it's very spread out.